Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, kindly consider to subscribe and share my videos, like, comment as always. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make fried tilapia fish with this amazing sauce. So sit back, relax as always, take some tips from this video, and yep, let's get to the video. So guys, if you want to have the delicious fish ever, you always want to marinate it first before you continue with the next procedure. So as you can see, I have made some slices in the fish so that when I marinate, the flavor gets into it so well. So I'm gonna squeeze the lemon juice, as you can see, and massage the juice onto my fish together with some salt to taste. And don't forget to also marinate the cavity of the fish. Let the flavor get in the fish so well. And sprinkle some salt and massage everything into the fish like so. Then set aside for 10 to 20 minutes. And let the flavor get into the fish. So as the fish marinates, I'm gonna go ahead and make its sauce. And as you can see inside my blender, I've added some tomatoes, some roasted bell peppers, and a bunch of coriander, together with garlic and ginger, and of course some onions. So I'm gonna blend everything together to have the paste. The tomato mixture helps in binding everything together. So as you can see, I've added the tomato mixture onto my pot. And for the spices, I'm gonna use the paprika, fish masala, and curry powder. And I measured 1 tablespoon of fish masala, half tablespoon of curry powder, half tablespoon of paprika, together with some salt to taste. So I'm gonna mix everything together and let that cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Try this recipe out guys, you will surely love the results. So the sauce is ready, as you can see. It's looking delicious, and I'm gonna use the sauce to cut my fish. Make sure you massage the sauce onto the skin of the fish like so. Do the same procedure or the same process to the both sides of the fish to get the best results. Don't forget the cavity of the fish. And after that, I'm gonna fill the cavity with a bunch of coriander leaves. And by doing so, the flavor in that fish, oh my god. Try this recipe out guys, and tell me on the comment section below. You want to make sure that your cooking oil is hot enough. So always use a wooden stick that will help you know when the cooking oil is ready. So I'm gonna deep fry my fish like so until you achieve the super crispy skin. And just like that, guys, we have our fish ready to be eaten. And I made some kachumbari together with the lemon there. You can always squeeze the lemon juice and make yourself happy, because why not? So try this recipe out and tell me the results on the comment section, what you think about. And yep, until on my next video, I'll see you all, guys. Subscribe if you haven't, like my videos, share, and bye bye. Love you all. Mwah.